In this video, we will discuss both the good and bad aspects of peanuts and peanut butter. So first, would you like to know about the good things or the bad ones? Let's start with the bad ones. The first important thing to understand is that peanuts are not actually nuts. Unlike almonds, walnuts, cashews, pistachios, etc., which are true nuts, dry fruits that grow on trees have a hard outer shell and contain a lot of oil. Peanuts are actually legumes. They grow on plants with the roots of the plant lying underground. Other examples of legumes include chickpeas, beans, and lentils. So peanuts are a legume, not a nut. Now let's talk about the peanut shell. Unlike the hard shells of true nuts, peanut shells are soft, which makes it easier for them to absorb chemicals from their surroundings, including pesticides. And why am I focusing on chemicals? Because peanuts are one of the most heavily sprayed crops in the world. I'm talking about pesticides, herbicides, and fungicides, which are used to protect crops from pests and diseases. One particularly dangerous chemical is glyphosate, which is used to kill unwanted weeds and sometimes sprayed directly on the soil. It also acts as a drying agent to make the crops easier to harvest. Glyphosate is used in crops like corn, wheat, and others. Some studies I've come across suggest that since glyphosate was introduced into the environment, there has been a noticeable increase in peanut allergies. So, what exactly is peanut allergy? When someone has a peanut allergy, consuming peanuts can cause symptoms like throat tightness, skin rashes, itching, and the body's immune system treats peanuts as a harmful substance, causing an overreaction. This leads to the production of chemicals called histamines, which cause allergic reactions. Now, you might wonder if there's a connection between these allergies and the chemicals used on peanuts. According to studies, the use of glyphosate on crops has resulted in a 400% increase in peanut allergies. Even peanut butter batches were tested, and traces of glyphosate were found in them. So that's the bad news. Moving on to another harmful substance, aflatoxins. Aflatoxin is a toxin produced by a fungus that grows in crops like peanuts, soybeans, corn, and others. When crops are contaminated with this fungus, the aflatoxin levels are especially high in peanuts, and it can be very dangerous. Aflatoxins can even cause liver cancer. So you never really know the quality of the peanut butter you buy, and sometimes what you find in the market could be smuggled, expired, or even made in China. I can't speak for local brands as I don't consume peanut butter, but you should definitely research the products you're buying and check the labels for added sugars, chemicals, and artificial flavors. Many commercial peanut butter brands contain hydrogenated oils or even vegetable ghee, which you can easily see on the label. Ideally, peanut butter should only contain peanuts or a bit of sea salt. No extra oils needed since peanuts themselves contain enough oil. So make sure you check the labels carefully. Now let's talk about the good things. If you're consuming organic, locally made peanut butter, that's definitely better because organic peanuts generally contain fewer chemicals. Furthermore, if you roast or soak the peanuts, i.e., germinate them by soaking them in water, it has two benefits. First, soaking reduces the harmful chemicals and toxins, and second, it increases the bioavailability of the nutrients. Bioavailability means that the beneficial nutrients in peanuts will be more easily absorbed by your digestive system. This is because the harmful compounds are bound to these nutrients, locking them in, but soaking helps break that bond, making the good stuff more accessible for your body. Unfortunately, I must also mention that our food system has become quite complex and challenging due to the presence of chemicals in the food chain. But when it comes to the nutritional value of peanuts, they are quite comparable to other nuts. They contain vitamin E, B vitamins, phytonutrients, and some protein as well. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, feel free to subscribe channel and share it with others. Take care. I will meet you in the next video. Goodbye.